In Zoom, you can make a video full screen by pinning it or by spotlighting it. In this video, you will learn the difference and how to use both techniques correctly. If I want to make myself full screen, I can go to the three-dot menu next to my video here and then click on Pin Video. And this now means that my video is almost full screen, but this impacts only my view here on the desktop. On the laptop computer right here, I still have the gallery view. I mentioned almost full screen because I can still see the videos of the other participants along the top of my window. If I want to make it actually full screen, I can click on View right there and then click on Full Screen. Now the videos from all of the other participants are going to be displayed right here on the right hand side of my screen. And I can also choose between different layouts right here. This one shows me only my own video, and if I want to get rid of all of them, I can click on the leftmost button there, and then I can even move this down. To bring back the gallery, I can click on there and then move that back up. Now I'm going to exit the full screen mode by clicking on View and then exit full screen mode. And now we are back to the pinned view that we created earlier. If I want to go back to my gallery view mode, I have to do two things. First, I need to remove the pin right here, but this is not enough because Zoom now defaults to the speaker view. So what I also have to do is click on View and then go back to Gallery. And now we have our 4 videos shown side by side. As you saw, pinning only impacts what I see on the computer where I'm doing the pinning. If you do want to make your video full screen for everybody who's in the meeting, then there's another function, and that is called spotlighting. Let's demonstrate once again with the desktop video. I'm going to click on the 3-dot menu right there and then on Spotlight for Everyone. You can see that my video is now full screen right here on the desktop computer, but it is also full screen right here on the laptop computer to my left. So spotlighting impacts everybody who's in the meeting, whereas pinning only impacts your computer. Once again, if I want this view to be completely full screen, I can click on View and then full screen right there. And now I will see the other participants' videos along the right-hand side. However, this does not impact what I see on my laptop. On my laptop, I still have the Zoom window. So the full screen does not impact any of the other participants, but the spotlight does affect the other participants and what they see. Let's go back to our previous view. I could do it in the menu as before, but I can also press the Escape key on my keyboard. To remove the spotlight on my video, I can click right there. Once again, this is going to default back to speaker view, and then I need to go back into gallery view if I want to see everybody. In order for you to spotlight anybody, you need to be the host or the co-host of the meeting. But then you can really spotlight anybody you want. Let's test with the Android phone here. I'm going to click on Spotlight for Everyone. This is now spotlighted here on my desktop computer. And if I move over to my laptop computer right here, you can see that that video from the Android phone is spotlighted there as well. Let's remove it by clicking Remove Spotlight, View, and Gallery. And we're back to where we started. What if the host spotlights somebody, but you don't want that person to be spotlighted on your machine? We have a solution for that as well. Let's go back to the laptop. On the laptop, I am going to spotlight the video from my desktop computer. Click on the menu right there, and then click on Spotlight for Everybody. And as we turn back to the desktop, this is now spotlighted. But if I don't like that, I can still go to Gallery View right here on my desktop computer. So spotlighting doesn't mean that that one person is going to monopolize your entire screen. You can always choose Gallery View even if somebody has been spotlighted. Let's go back to the laptop and remove the spotlight. There we go. And then I'm going to switch back that one to Gallery View as well. As mentioned, it always defaults to the speaker view after you have used the spotlight. In the examples that we saw so far, we only spotlighted and pinned one video at a time, but you can do it with multiple videos at the same time. Let me show you. I'm going to start by pinning my video from the desktop. Click on the menu and then pin. And then I'm going to do the same with the video from my Android phone. Click on the menu and then add pin. Now these two videos are going to be pinned to my screen right here at the desktop computer. Because it's pinning, it does not impact what any of the other participants in this meeting see. To remove the pin, the process is a little bit unintuitive, but we will get through it. For the first one, I have to go into the menu and then click on Remove Pin. For the second one, I have to click on this Remove Pin button right here. Once again, the pin has been removed, but it stays in the speaker view. So to go back, I have to click on Gallery View, and now we're back to where we started. You can use the same technique for spotlighting multiple people, and this will have an impact on what the other participants see. I'm going to click on the menu right there, and then click on Spotlight for everyone. Then let's do the same thing by spotlighting our view from the Android phone and add Spotlight. These two are now spotlighted on my desktop computer, on the Android phone, but they're also spotlighted right here on my laptop computer as well, because spotlighting affects everybody who is in the meeting. To remove the spotlights, once again, click on the menu and then remove spotlight. Click remove spotlight there and then go back into gallery view. One great reason to use Spotlight is when your participants are showing something interesting in their video, but they're not going full screen. Maybe they're sharing slides like this, for example, and they're switching layouts within their own little Zoom frame. This is a tool that I use called OBS Studio. And when the slides are just in the frame, they can be a little bit difficult to see. So let's click on the menu right there and then Spotlight for everybody. Now that I'm full screen, these slides are a lot easier to see, and that also goes for the various transitions that I might use. If you want to share your slides like I did, go to markuspresents.com/OBS or use the link in the video description below. For more tips on how to use OBS Studio for video conferencing, click or tap the screen right here. It's such a powerful tool for creating impressive visuals. Thank you for watching. My name is Markus Seppälä.